Click on the link below to get price. The Royal Sovereign 160 Pint Commercial Dehumidifier with Automatic Purge Pump, RDHC 150P, is a powerhouse designed for large-scale moisture control in commercial and industrial settings. Upon unboxing, the robust construction of the unit is immediately apparent, built to withstand rigorous daily use. Weighing about 150 pounds, it is equipped with handles and wheels that make it somewhat portable, but due to its weight, it's best suited to more permanent placements in basements, warehouses, or construction sites. One of the standout features of the RDHC 150P is its impressive dehumidification capacity, capable of removing up to 160 pints of moisture daily. This makes it an ideal choice for environments prone to high humidity levels. The automatic purge pump effectively expels collected water, eliminating the need for constant monitoring and manual emptying of the tank, which can be a significant time saver in a busy commercial setting. The unit operates with a user-friendly digital control panel, allowing for seamless adjustments to humidity settings and fan speeds. You can easily set the desired humidity level, which the unit maintains automatically, ensuring a consistently comfortable environment. Its noise level, while noticeable, is not disruptive. It operates quietly in the background, maintaining efficiency without overwhelming the workspace. Energy efficiency is another highlight. The RDHC 150P is designed to minimize energy consumption while effectively reducing humidity, which is a crucial factor for businesses looking to reduce operating costs. Additionally, the built-in air filter is easy to access and clean, prolonging the unit's lifespan and ensuring optimal performance. In summary, the Royal Sovereign 160 Pint Commercial Dehumidifier excels in large-scale dehumidification needs. With its robust design, automatic pump system, user-friendly interface, and energy efficiency, it provides an excellent solution for businesses aiming to combat humidity effectively. While it may be a significant investment, the long-term benefits it offers in maintaining a dry environment make it well worth considering.